Hi, I'm going to show you super basic features on Mural if you're either going to participate or if you're going to organize and facilitate a workshop or a Lean Inception or Inception workshop. So the very basic, first to create a post-it, you double click, you create a post-it, you write on it, you can move it around. Then if you want to duplicate a post-it, you just have to click on it, Ctrl+C, wherever you want it to go, Ctrl+V, it's a copy and paste for that post-it. Another option is for you to click on the post-it and Ctrl+D, it duplicates right next to it. And then you move it around where you want to go. About colors, you can change the font style, the colors. You just click on this bar here. You can even draw on the post-it with this pencil here, switch, and then you can draw on your post-it. Okay, let's now move to a few more advanced features. Let's talk about the left bar, this bar here on the left. You can add text if you need to add text for some reason somewhere. Titles and things like this. Add post-its, what else? Forms, a flow chart or something if you want to connect things, either post-its or one of those forms. Icons, if you need to, let's say, find icons that represent something. We use this a lot on Inceptions for Energize and this kind of stuff for more representative things. Images and the frameworks. The frameworks, those are like the flip charts where you want to have on the wall to put the post-its around. For example, this one I've used here is the wall of works, like a to-do doing done. If you look at this text, I didn't put it. Now it's on that flip chart. And then I can move things around if I need to. I always use those frameworks, those areas, to make the wall more organized, as I used to do on a presential workshop. What else I want to show you? Oh, the way increase is like a command plus, so I can increase and or decrease the size of the post-it. Let's go to the top bar. What do we have here? I want to show a few things. First, that we use a lot of facilitations, the voting. You click and the zone here, start voting session. You give a name, whatever. You give a name, 5 votes for each person. You click go, start voting session, and then people will be able to vote. Here you go. It's over the voting for me, like other people are still voting, and you as a facilitator click end voting session, and that would finish the vote session and you count it. Another very useful thing is the timer. You're running an activity and you want to give like whatever, how many minutes, 10 minutes, go start. Then everybody will be seeing the same timer, and at the end it's going to make a sound indicating time is over. And one more thing I want to show you is the concept of outline, very useful for facilitators. So basically the outline is here on the left. If it's not showing, now I just closed it. It's this here. And then it's kind of the index of your wall. What I do is I also use the concept of flip charts. So I organize my wall with a lot of flip charts, which is the order of the activities I want to follow in the workshop. And then when guiding people, say, hey, now we're on activity number 2. So click on it and people are driven to that. So I hope you enjoy and you have an amazing time on your remote workshops.